cute and they make my butt look good. So yeah. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a try on haul. The clothes that I'm going to be showing you guys today is from a brand called Honeybum. I've known about Honeybum for a little while now, and this is actually my first package. And also they partnered with me to bring you guys this video. So thank you, Honeybum, you know, keeping the lights on and the water running and I'm joking, not really, but literally, so thank you. But yeah, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video. I'm gonna be sitting right here, you know, change of scenery, and I don't know, I love filming try on hauls because you can be so flexible with where you want to film it. You can film it standing up, sitting down, on the ground. I don't know where this is going, but yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the first item, which is actually this two-piece set I'm wearing right here. As you guys can see, it's a really nice bright orange. Neon is totally in right now, so I knew I wanted to get something neon. It's like definitely a big trend right now. If you didn't know that, like, where have you been? It's everywhere. I got this in a size small. I pretty much got everything in a size small, and I want to let you guys know my measurements. I'm 4'11", 5 feet, somewhere in between there. And I weigh about 100, and my weight fluctuates. So I weigh about 110 pounds. Let's just say 110. So I weigh about 110 pounds. And yeah, I think that's everything y'all need to know. But yeah, so this set is so freaking cute. If you guys are wondering what material it is a polyester and spandex blend, so you guys know it's mad stretchy, which of course we love, you know. I just love how bright and vibrant it is. It is gorgeous. Yeah, let's move on to the next item, shall we? So the next item I got is this snake print low collared dress, and this has some buttons on the front. I saw this online and I was like, ooh, this is so cute. Now, when I first tried this on initially before filming this video, it fit pretty snug. I don't know what happened between 4 days ago and today, or 5 days ago and today, but I'm going to be showing you guys when I'm standing up that it's, I don't know, something here feels just a little baggy, but nonetheless, this dress is really freaking cute. I feel like if I continue to work out, get some gains, and do my squats and build some muscle, then it'll fit me a lot better. But either way, like, it still looks really cute. I can still wear it either way. It's not that serious. But yeah, I'm not really sure. I did try it on with like the clear Perspex heels, but I feel like these with black, like thin strap, thin heel, black sandaled heels would be like a look. I'm not sure what bag yet. I need to like up my purse collection, but other than that, this is cute and I can't wait to wear it. So the next item, actually it's gonna be, I'm wearing two pieces, so a turtleneck, which is this right here. This is also like a polyester and spandex blend, same exact material. The bodysuit kind of goes straight down to the pelvic area and cuts out some of this area. I love it. And the next item that I paired it with that I'm also showing you guys are these high-waisted black pants right here. It's like that shiny, slippery denim material, if you guys know what I mean. And actually, when I picked these out, they actually told me that they recommend going a size up or two with these pants because they fit pretty snug. And I was like nervous because you guys know I'm really small. So, especially with pants, they're always gonna be too long regardless. I ordered a size 1, so I actually ended up, no, I ordered a size 3. I know I'm not no size 1. But I ordered a size 3 and ended up, I don't know why I just clapped, but I ended up taking the size 5 instead, and I'm so thankful because when I started putting these on, I was like, oh my god, I don't know if these are gonna go up, but they ended up going up, and they fit really good up top, but the legs they're too long, so I'm gonna have to get them hemmed or whatever. But either way, I think they're cute and they make my butt look good, so yeah. The next item I got is this jacket right here. I think this is called like a teddy coat. I have been wanting one of these for a while. It is really big on me, and I didn't even realize that I have a size medium, which I'm not sure why, because I think I'm pretty sure I ordered a small, because like knowing me and knowing how things that are already oversized fit, I always have to go for the smallest size. So I think maybe they had run out of stock of the small or the extra small. So I got a medium. It's still a vibe, like I can still make it work. I've already worn it and it has looked pretty good with some outfits. But I do wish I got a smaller size, but it's okay. It's really warm. Not like winter coat warm, but I mean, it's like technically spring over here. Right now, it's still a little chilly, and I can wear this outside with no issue. As long as I zip it up, I'm good, but it's pretty warm. So, I really love it, and I just love the color. Who doesn't love a brown coat? All right, the next item I got from Honeybum is this skirt right here. Okay, let me just say, as soon as I put this on and I was zipping it up, I was like, this is not going to fit me. Like, this is not gonna fit. Where am I going with this? But it actually did fit. You just gotta pull this part all the way up here, but like if I left it down here, there was no way it would fit. Like, you gotta wear it high. Well, I gotta wear this size, small, high-waisted. I think that's how it's supposed to be worn anyways, but yeah, I was so nervous. But it ended up fitting, so it's all good. This is really, really cute. I have a love-hate relationship with skirts like this, or leather skirts. I feel like if you don't have an actual like big juicy booty, or like a distinct booty, like where it pops out, like you got like the shelf booty, I feel like it makes your butt look so flat. So like for someone like me, like I got a butt, but like it looks flat and things like this. So from the front, I think it looks really, really cute. I tried seeing how it looked from the back when I was filming the try-on portion of this video, but I couldn't really tell. I mean, I hope it looks good, but I could tell that it just squishes everything. You guys are also gonna see that I look like I kind of can't breathe, and that's because like I kind of couldn't, to be really honest. I was just like trying to show you guys, and then I started sweating. Cause either way, yeah, this was really, really cute. But you're kind of limited space, and yeah, don't wear anything like this to a club if you're trying to dance, or yeah, no, don't do that. Alright, so the next item I got is this baby blue dress right here. Honey, when I tell you that this fits so snug, I almost couldn't get it on. I was like, damn, my head is that big. But the thing is, with all these necks from Honeybum, they're pretty tight. Like, I get nervous, and like I also get nervous so I'm gonna get my makeup on it. This one wasn't as tight, but this one and the black turtleneck, honestly, when I put on the black turtleneck, I was like, I should have did this one last, because I don't know if I'm gonna get this off. But luckily I got it off. I really love the color. I'm trying to get colors in my wardrobe that I don't normally have. So yeah, we got neon orange, we got baby blue, and then I'm gonna show you something else next, also that is turquoise. I love the fit of this. It fits so nice, like so nice. It makes my butt look so nice. It's just snatched everywhere, which we love. And I got this in a size small. Like I said, everything is basically in a small. I know when you see dresses like this, just know when you put them on, it's about to be lit. Okay, it's about to be lit. The next item I got is a sweatsuit or tracksuit. We had this issue in not my last try-on haul, I think the one before that. Do y'all say sweatsuit or tracksuit? But I got this sweatsuit, tracksuit. I'm gonna say sweatsuit, okay? So I got this sweatsuit from Honeybum as well. I like my sweatpants have to have pockets, because if there's no pockets, I feel like what's the point? This is the top. It is nice and cropped, and it also comes with the strings, so you can kind of adjust if you want it to be oversized, if you want to like tighten it a bit. For the sleeves, I actually prefer to tuck them in. I don't know, I prefer it to be tucked in. I'm not really fond of it hanging out like that. But for the bottom of the shirt right here, it doesn't really bother me. It's kind of cute, if you ask me. I wore this on Instagram I posted it on my story and a lot of you guys asked me where it's from. And then I actually took a picture in it. This is the only item I've actually got to wear out other than the jacket. I wore it out to do makeup for a photo shoot. And but that time I wore it with sneakers, but I knew from my picture I wanted to wear it with my clear perspex heels. I wore it with the denim jacket and this cute little white bag that I had literally just got from Topshop like last week. And it was such a look. And yeah, I'm gonna put the picture up here on the screen somewhere so you guys can see it, but also it's on my Instagram. So if you aren't following me, if you guys want to see how I wear these items, and like I actually got like another package of clothing, so if you guys want to see my upcoming outfits, you are most definitely, actually not more than likely, most definitely going to be seeing it on my Instagram first before you see it on my channel. So you guys can just follow me on my Instagram and yeah, show some love. But this color is so cute, and honestly it's so comfy as well. Like I just throw this on if I'm gonna go to Starbucks, if I'm editing, if you can wear it anywhere, honestly. It's super cozy. So the last item I got is this collared dress right here. It's a nice beige color and this fits me really nicely. I have a thing for anything nude, beige colored and fitted. It's just because it's like skin tone, you know, just nice and comfortable skin tone, nice and natural. I literally love anything of this color. Y'all know me, I'm neutral. So yeah, and then I feel like the collar and the deep V just like adds like a nice perfect detail to the dress. And I got this one doesn't show the sizing on the tag, but I'm more than sure I got it in a size small as well. If they have extra small, I definitely got an extra small. But yeah, this one fits really nice. I think I want to wear this to, honestly I'm not sure yet, but definitely like this is definitely like a daytime kind of dress. Some cute little sandal heels. Or actually, I think this would look really cute with some sandals as well, like a cute little bag, some glasses, and I don't know. I just can't wait to style all these pieces I got. Honestly, they're really cute, and I'm really impressed with the quality and just like the fit. Oh, like fit. First of all, the fit is amazing. Everything fits me really well. I'm really happy about all these items I got from Honeybum. So you guys, that brings us to the end of this try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you guys liked all the pieces that I tried on. Let me know what your favorite item was that I tried on. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.